Hello everyone, welcome to Ravi's Academy. In today's class, you will be learning how to construct an ellipse by eccentricity method. So this eccentricity method is also known as general method. So let us look at the problem. Construct an ellipse with a distance of the focus from the directrix is 50 mm. So the distance from the directrix is given 50 mm and eccentricity that is represented by small e 2 by 3 and this is less than 1. If the eccentricity is less than 1, you are going to have an ellipse and that will be constructing now and is asking also draw normal and tangent to the curve at a point 40 mm from the directrix that is fixed straight line. So now let us start doing this. Let us draw a horizontal line of some length. Let us call it as AB and passing through A, let us draw a vertical line. It represents CD represents the directrix and AB represents axis of the ellipse and locate focus. So that you will be representing with a symbol F at a distance 50 mm 50 mm from the directrix. So this is given in the problem. Locate focus and eccentricity is given 2 by 3. So for that purpose, you have to divide the AF into 2 plus 3, 5 equal parts, right? 50 mm is given. Easily you can divide into 5 equal parts. Each division will be, 10 mm. So now I have divided AF into 5 equal parts. So the vertex is located at a distance from F second division. That's what is given. E is nothing but it is VF divided by AV, that is 2 by 3. So E is 2 by 3. This is nothing but it is VF divided by AV, right? So you have located vertex. After this, let us erect a vertical line passing through vertex. With VF as radius using compass, draw a quarter circular arc and locate the point of intersection with the vertical line. So that you will be calling as point E. Join A and E, extend this line, right? You have extended. Now to locate the other end of the ellipse, that is V prime, let us draw a line passing through F at an angle 45 degrees. So this is a line passing through F at an angle 45 degrees. And the point of intersection, let us call it as point G. Erect a perpendicular to axis on the axis line where it intersects, that is your V prime. So that means you have located V and V prime, the ends of the ellipse. Now, in between V and V prime, let us randomly select certain points. I am selecting, let us say this is my 1 and F itself I am calling it as 2. So this is not necessarily equidistance. 3, you can select randomly 4, 5, 6, 7. So preferable is 8. Now I have taken 7 points. Now let us erect vertical lines symmetric about axis above and below passing through each division. So I am drawing a line passing through 1 and below that also. So above I am marking it as intersecting this inclined line 1 prime. And of course passing through F also, because that also I would like to consider. So this is my 2 prime and this itself is 2 and 3 3 prime, 4 4 prime, 5 5 prime, 6 6 prime, and lastly 7 7 prime. What you do is erect this, extend these lines Because this curve is symmetric about the axis, you are going to locate points above as well as below, and the lines are extended below the axis. Now it's very simple that with the help of compass, 1 prime is radius, Fi center, locate on 1 prime line. So that is your P1, and below that also at equidistance, that is the P1 prime. You are calling points below with the primes and points above with the P1, P2 and so on. So 2 prime, 2 prime is radius, Fi center. So this itself becomes your P2 also, and below that same distance you can mark P2 prime, right? 3 prime as radius, Fi center. Let us draw the arc above and below. So this point of intersection is P3 and below is P3 prime. 4 prime as radius, Fi center, and let us locate on the same line Fi center, cut it. So this is your P4, and same distance you are going to get Fi center equidistance, that is somewhere here you have P4 prime. Likewise, you look at all the points. 5 prime is radius, Fi center. Remember that always F is center, and this 5 prime is radius, Fi center. Let us draw an arc above and below. P5 prime. Now 6 is radius, Fi center. So let us, it is P6, and below you have P6 prime. And 7 prime and Fi center. So it is P7, and below this it is P7 prime. Now you have located all the points using HB pencil, and passing through all these points to draw a smooth curve. So V and V prime are the ends, and passing through each prime, let us draw a curve with the free hand, and passing through all the points. You can draw this with in the beginning with the 2H pencil. After getting that curve, we can redraw over that with HB pencil. Now it is drawn with this, and I am using HB pencil to highlight the result. Remember that you have to draw a single stroke line, make it dark with HB pencil, right? So you got the required ellipse, and he is asking draw the tangent and normal, and the distance from the directrix fixed line is given, and that is 40. So somewhere here you have from this line it is 40. Locate this point on the curve that you are calling it as P. Join P with the F and direct a perpendicular to this line using mini drafter. This is 90, and this point is your T. Join T with the P, and that is your required tangent. Join T with the P, the other end is call it as a T prime, and passing through P with mini drafter erect a perpendicular. This is your normal NM. So NM is normal. So I hope you have understood the procedure how to construct an ellipse by eccentricity method, which is also known as general method. So preferably you have to take 8 divisions, and you can go up to maximum of 12 divisions, and you need not follow equidistance. You can take randomly, and I think you can start practicing with this. Thank you.